Welcome to ASRock.
Hello everyone, this is ASRock. I'm Red from ASRock. Let me know what's the new in the Computex 2025. I think the first one, the most interesting thing is this one, Taipei OCF. Okay, OC formula is come back. Yeah, we bring the OC formula to the AMD M5 platform. So you can see we use the X870 Echo, this chipset, to OC formula. If you want to break some record, like your CPU frequency, your DDR5 memory frequency, I think this is the one. Yeah, we will use this motherboard to break world record. Yeah, okay. And if you want to build some AI computing system or you are a creator, you must check this one. This is X870 Taipei Creator. Okay, the most important thing for this motherboard, you can see we have dual PCIe Gen 5 by 16 slot. It can install 2 graphic cards, dual GPU. So if you want to build a AI computing system, 3D drawing, or maybe you are a gamer, you can use this motherboard and install 2 graphic cards. Okay, it's a popular thing. If you are a gamer, you can use this first graphic card to play video game, and second graphic card to make the frame generation, so make your games play more smoother. Yeah. Also, this motherboard supports dual RAM, 10 GB RAM plus 5 GB RAM. You can see the red one is 10 GB RAM, and the yellow one is 5 GB RAM. This is dual RAM design for this motherboard. And another new interesting motherboard, I would say, this is Live Mixer series. The concept of the Live Mixer series is planting a lot of USB ports. Like the YouTuber, the streamer, they have a lot of USB devices, right? Like the headset, the camera, streaming pad, or audio recording devices, a lot of USB. So you can use this Live Mixer motherboard to install all the USB ports. You can see, wow, a lot of USB Type A and Type C. You just need to plug your USB device into the motherboard. You don't need to buy any USB hub. Yeah, this is the concept of the Live Mixer series. That's cool, right? And another new board is we have new X870 Nova Wi-Fi. Yeah. Previously, we have the X870E Nova Wi-Fi. This is the current model. We're selling this model very, very well in the worldwide. Everywhere out of stock for this X870 Nova Wi-Fi. So this time, we bring a little bit cheaper, not a little bit cheaper, it's a significant cheaper price for X870 Nova Wi-Fi. We almost keep all the spec like the X870E Nova Wi-Fi. Yeah, you can see the outlook is almost the same. We keep the M.2 socket quantity, the SATA quantity, and the power VRM spec. It's almost the same, just a little bit difference, but the price will be lower. Yeah. Also, we have a new motherboard X870 Pro-8 Wi-Fi. This is the most affordable X870 motherboard. Even this is the entry-level motherboard, but it is still very powerful. So because it is support 16 VRM for V-Core, and with the 88 Dr. Moss, so the power spec is very powerful. And of course, it supports USB 4, PCIe Gen 5 by 16, and a lot of the latest specs. So all of this motherboard is our new motherboard for this Computex 2025. So if you have interest, please focus us. ASRock, thank you.
Hello, I'm the VGA PM Divine from ASRock. I'm very glad to introduce you what cool stuff we demo in this Computex. First, you can see this part is for Intel graphic cards. You can see we have the latest B580 gaming graphic cards and B570 gaming graphic cards, and also the latest Intel Arc Pro B60 GPUs. So you can see that for B60 we have 2 models. This is the very latest, the brand new models that we show first time to show in this Computex. You can see that we have a creator model that with a 2-slot blower fan design and with 4 display port outputs. And also we have the ASRock P60 passive cooling design model here with also 4 DP output. All these models, P60 models, are made for workstation and edge computing usage. So you can see that we use a very standard 2-slot and 1-slot, so that it will be more easier for you to build a multi-GPU system in a very limited chassis. But please note it, if you are going to use the passive graphic cards, you have to build a whole system with a very good airflow to cool it down. So I don't have to introduce again, right? Okay. And continuously, we can see in the AMD graphic card side, we see the AMD Radeon and the Radeon AI Pro GPUs. In this time, we show you some new cool stuff like this Tai Chi White concept card. It's not only turn the Tai Chi into the white color scheme, but also we imply a LCD on the side of the shroud, and also make a better LED light effects here. And also you can see we have a very strong product line that we have a 9070 XT Tai Chi, Steel Legend Dark, and now we also have the Challenger model, the new entry-level model for the 9070 XT. And we can go through here. You can see that if we see that you can see the R9070 XT. We have the Radeon AI Pro R9070 100 Creator 32GB memory model. Still use the very standard 2-slot blower fan design with 4 DP for commercial use. And also lately we also launched the latest RX 9060 XT, Steel Legend, and the Challenger models for gamers. Okay, excuse me. Hello, in this time we also introduce you our AI zone that with a very attractive demos with our latest creator graphic cards. For this first, you can see we are doing a live demo with the AMD Radeon AI Pro R9070 100 creator models in 4 graphic card system. And we are using this to demo how you load a very big 70 billion DeepSeek R1 model with the 4 graphic cards that they are sharing the loading to load the very large size models. And also, we also demo the Intel ASRock P60 creator models in the 4 card systems. So you can see that it's a very concept system in 4 cards.
Hello everyone, I'm Jessie from the power supply team of ASRock. Today I'm excited to introduce our new product line. We have from Flagship Tai Chi, Phantom Gaming, and Steel Legend, also Challenger. The naming route is same as our motherboard and graphic card, so the user will easily know which segment they are aiming to. Okay, so first of all, let's start from the Flagship Tai Chi. Okay, here we go. Okay, excuse me. Talking. Sorry. This one is Tai Chi, our flagship product. The 80+ label is titanium, which means the efficiency is high to 94%. And we also pass the cybernetics titanium and lambda A+, which means the operation is very silent. We do the 12-volt 2x6 cable for NVIDIA graphic card. We make it dual color, so user will easily know which they plug it correctly or not. And we also build the thermal sensor here. When the temperature from the graphic card side is too high, we'll send the signal back to the sensor pin. So the sensor pin on power supply part will shut off automatically, so the graphic card connector will not melting. That is the overheating protection function. Okay. So we put a transparent cover here so you can see the components inside. We use very premium components, including 100% Japanese capacitor. And the design and layout is very neat and compact. Okay, and the next one is Steel Legend. Steel Legend, which currently is our best-selling item, and we offer in black and white edition. This one is 1200 wattage, but only in 150 millimeters in depth, which is very compact. And we also offer two 12-volt 2x6 connectors here, and it's a 80 plus gold and 780A. It's affordable without compromise on performance choice. Okay, that's it.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn. This is our new OLED series. These two models are our 27-inch gaming monitors with the 240 Hz refresh rate and 360 Hz refresh rate, and both of them are QHD resolution. And these two models are the 32-inch gaming monitors. This one is our new model this year, and it is a 240 Hz refresh rate with a 4K resolution. And this one is a 32-inch gaming monitor too, and it has a special feature that it has a dual mode. You can choose from the 240 Hz refresh rate with a 4K resolution, or you can choose a 480 Hz refresh rate with a Full HD resolution. And all of our gaming monitor has a color calibration and has a delta E less than 2. And okay, you can see the surface. Okay, and this one is our new flagship model, the PG27QFW2A, and it is a 400 Hz refresh rate with the QHD IPS panel. So you can see the color is more vivid and it has a wider viewing angles. And this one is a 520 Hz refresh rate with a Full HD IPS panel and has launched last year.